Hello guys, how to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80242020 in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issues, various workarounds are here. And the first workaround is open PowerShell, type PowerShell in Windows search and open PowerShell as administrator mode. And we will reinstall apps package, Xbox package. And to remove app package, Xbox, execute this command. Copy this and paste and press enter. This will remove Xbox app package. Thereafter we will reinstall apps package, and to reinstall apps package execute this command. All these commands are available in my video description. You can copy from there. Copy here and press enter. It will reinstall apps package and check your issue is resolved or not. If not, go to next fixes. The next workaround is open run command box and here execute command WSReset.exe. It will clear a stored caches and it will open Microsoft Store after reset in a new Windows. If this method does not work, go to the next method. Open Windows settings. Here go to Windows updates and check for Windows latest update. If any updates available, download and install Windows latest update for Windows 11 and Windows 10 and check your issue is resolved or not. If not, the next workaround is again go to Windows settings. Under system settings, choose the option storage, scroll down and choose the option advanced storage settings and choose where new content is saved, and here choose same drive for all the contents. We have chosen Windows C drive, so all drives should be same, that is C drive, and close this. Hopefully the problem will be resolved. That's all.